Dynamic star pool table have a different design and shape. Body of the table is made from plywood. The table comes with a plain top corners. Table have a special type leg stand which is made from plywood having an elegant style. Genuine 19mm marble is used for the table which come in one piece. This playing bed are diamond honed and precision leveled for a truly level playing surface. Cushions come in K66 rubber profile and it's made from 100% natural gum rubber. This table includes best quality 22.75 ounces cloth, 70% wool 30% nylon, for excellent playability durability. The table is also available in a different range of colors. Top and side corners are made from their cast zinc alloy, their cast aluminum, S strip. This model have two types, one side collection model and simple model. In OSC table all the balls are collected at one side from the one main pocket. With our team we had prepared a new collection profile for ball collection in which it protects the balls from internal scratches and also maintain the shining of the ball. Specifications: cloth color available sea green, green blue.